Today, I'll show you how to change the lead owner in Salesforce. If you're managing leads and need to reassign them to different team members, understanding how to change the lead owner is crucial for maintaining smooth operations. Let's dive in and make this process as easy as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening the target lead record. If you're new to Salesforce or still getting the hang of navigating the platform, this step is all about finding the specific lead you wish to change ownership for. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of your Salesforce dashboard. Simply type in the name or other identifying information of the lead you're looking for and select it from the search results. This will bring you to the leads record page, where all the pertinent information about this particular lead is displayed. Now that you're on the leads record page, the next step is to locate the lead owner field. This field typically appears in the Details tab or sometimes in the top header panel of the record page. It displays the current owner's name. If you have any trouble finding it, remember that Salesforce layouts can vary slightly depending on your organization's settings, but the lead owner field is usually prominently displayed. This field is what we're going to change to update the ownership of the lead. Once you have located the lead owner field, the next action is to click on the Change Owner icon. This icon usually looks like a little pencil or a person with a refresh arrow, depending on your Salesforce setup. Clicking this will open a new dialog box or panel where you'll be able to input the new owner's name. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure you have the correct person in mind before proceeding to avoid any confusion or mishaps. After clicking the Change Owner icon, you'll be prompted to select or enter the new owner's name. If you have a large team, Salesforce makes it easy by allowing you to search for the user's name in the system. Start typing the name, and a list will typically appear for you to choose from. Select the appropriate person from the list, ensuring that this individual has the necessary permissions and capacity to manage the lead effectively. This step is crucial because the new owner will now be responsible for all follow-ups and updates related to this lead. Once you've selected the new owner, confirm your choice by clicking the Save or Confirm button. This finalizes the change, and the lead ownership will be transferred to the selected user. Be sure to check that the change has been applied correctly by revisiting the lead owner field. It should now display the new owner's name. This verification step is a great practice to ensure that everything is in order and that the transition is seamless. In conclusion, changing the lead owner in Salesforce is a simple yet important task. Whether you're reassigning leads due to workload balancing or team restructuring, following these steps ensures that the process is smooth and efficient. Remember to always verify your changes to maintain accuracy in your records. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Salesforce leads more effectively. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Salesforce tips and tutorials.